Hey guys, Josh here. Let's go over the two bespoke bass packages we've carefully curated for all Tesla Model 3s and Model Ys. Now these packages will add the missing bass your current setup needs and perfectly complements your car's stock audio system. Okay, let's take a look at the first package. Now this comes with the latest version of Alpine's S-Series 12-inch subwoofer, the S2-W12D4. This is an excellent sounding woofer that delivers both deep and accurate bass, and handles between 250 and 600 watts and has an X-Max of 15 millimeters, which directly affects the amount of bass the woofer can produce. As far as the box, we designed a sealed enclosure for the subwoofer to fit perfectly in the subfloor of the trunk for both the Model 3 and Model Y. We also designed a trim panel that fits around the sub for a clean, finished look that complements the sleek lines of your Tesla. Now, the amp we're using to power the sub is the Diamond Audio Micro 2 V2. This is a compact D-class amp that works for both 12 volts and 16 volt Teslas. It delivers 500 watts RMS and will be installed in the quarter panel of either vehicles, even if you have the factory 8-inch sub. Since it's going in an electric car, it's important not to put too much strain on the electrical system. That's why this amp is designed to use very little power for its 500 watt output, only needing a 25 amp fuse. It also comes with a remote bass knob, so you're able to control the volume of the sub from the driver's seat. The second package is identical, except it comes with the latest version of Alpine's R-Series subwoofer, the R2-W12D4. Now, the difference between the two is the R-Series handles more power between 350 and 750 watts, plays much deeper bass, and features 33% more X-Max at 20 millimeters. So you're going to get deeper bass out of this thing. But besides the woofer, everything else is the same. The kit is complete and comes with all the needed wiring, hardware, and connectors to complete the job. Now, we do have installation tutorials on YouTube for both the Model 3 and the Model Y, so you're able to see how it's done. Also, on those videos, we conduct an audio demo. That way, you're able to hear the difference with and without the systems, and you'll know what to expect. Now, if you're ready to buy this kit, go ahead and complete the purchase. As a service to our customers, we do offer several financing options. So check those out in the checkout page. Okay, guys, hope this helps.